In today's video, I want to go over a trade setup that we had today along with a trigger. Okay, people continue to ask me about triggers. They don't understand triggers, so I'm going to show you. But before we look at the setup and the trigger, just want to show you that this is a monthly chart of Amazon, and I don't really have any resistance in this now until 3202, which you're getting close to, 3253, and 3322. This market has been on steroids. Actually, this was the original setup that came in on June 29th. We pulled back into symmetry support, and at that time price was clearly above the 200 simple, above the 50 simple, and the 5 and 13 have been in a buy mode since back here. So that's one of the reasons why I've been focusing only on the buy side in the case of Amazon. Anyway, even though we are extremely extended, we met 3 targets on the upside. There's been a huge rally since that last low was made on June 29th. Let's see, that was $553.73. Okay, crazy. But there was still another setup on the 30-minute chart today. So if you look at the 30-minute chart, I mean, you'd see that we're in a buy mode with the 834 EMA crossover to the upside down here, and we've been in a buy mode ever since. So every time we get a pullback, I set it up, and I'm doing that by taking these prior swings and the swings inside of the swings and running the retracements. I believe there was a 618 that overlapped this area, and you know, when you have both, you know, symmetry and some retracements that overlap it, that's where we're going to look for new buy entries. And this little pullback here this morning, you know, it tested the zone, it held above the zone, and then if you go to the lower time frame chart, you'll see that it also triggered an entry before rallying $119. Okay, that's just in today's session. Now, as far as the trigger, so if you use a 1-minute chart, this is where it triggered. Okay, we had the moving average crossover, the 834 EMA crossover to the upside after testing the support. And then also in the process, it took out a prior swing high, which I like to see because that's a pattern shift telling me that, you know, the trend is potentially changing, or at least, you know, shifting to back up. So that would have given you an entry somewhere around, I think it was around 30.97 or so. So, you know, you're not going to get the exact lows and the exact highs here, but if you can get something in the middle, then you're in really good shape. But something so simple as symmetry and a couple of retracements, you know, can give you trade setups like this, and this is what we focus on every day.